Hello, dear students. On behalf of SWASA, I, Dr. Rajni Shettikar, welcome you all once again for this session on pharmacy as a career option. So today we are going to discuss on the roles and responsibilities of a pharmacist in a retail drugstore. So for the students who wish to pursue their career as a retail pharmacist, should definitely know what are their responsibilities as a retail pharmacist. As you all know, that a retail drugstore or a retail pharmacy setup can be started or owned by anyone, even a non-pharmacist. But presence of a registered pharmacist in a pharmacy setup is absolutely essential. Now, the presence of a pharmacist is not only a regulatory requirement, but it is essential as it directly deals with the patient's health. Just imagine that a patient walks into a pharmacy and a pharmacist is not present, and the drugs are dispensed by a non-pharmacist, and he commits some error because of the misinterpretation of a prescription, or because of the misinterpretation of what a patient actually wants. So if the medications are dispensed wrongly, you can imagine what will be the risks involved, because it will directly affect the health of the patient. And that is the reason presence of a pharmacist and the actual dispensing of a drug should be done by a pharmacist, and it has to be done under the supervision of a pharmacist. Pharmacist is the person who has the complete knowledge about everything from A to Z about a medication. So if a patient walks into the pharmacy and if he asks anything about any condition he is going through, so a correct guidance can be given by the pharmacist, like which doctor to consult and what will be his the steps to be taken by the patient. And when a patient goes to the doctor and the doctor writes the medications to the patient will have a lot of doubts in his mind, and probably the doctor may not know complete history of the patient, and that is the reason when the patient comes to the pharmacy, he can discuss everything about his condition, his history, and what medications are prescribed by the doctor, and anything he feels he should know more about his treatment. The pharmacist will go through the history of the patient, he will go through the medication that are prescribed, he will understand which medication the patient is already taking, and if at all there are chances of any drug-drug interactions, the pharmacist has to intervene and he has to inform the physician. So all the doubts that a patient has, he can get it clarified from a pharmacist, because a pharmacist is the only healthcare provider, the most accessible healthcare provider available round the clock for the service of a patient. So apart from dispensing the medications, storing the medications safely, securely and properly, which is the core competency of a pharmacist, the pharmacist is also responsible for patient counseling. Patient counseling involves everything, what care he has to take, how he should store the medications, how he should take the medications, for how many days he has to take the medications, and other precautions which the patient has to take while he is under the treatment. So a pharmacist is responsible for filling the prescriptions and providing patients with the appropriate medications. That means when the patient enters the pharmacy with a prescription, the pharmacist must verify the accuracy and completeness of the prescription, and only then he has to dispense the medications. And he has to ensure that a correct dosage form and correct medication is dispensed to the patient. If a patient comes without the prescription, with a general condition where the prescription is not required, then pharmacist is supposed to, with his knowledge, he is supposed to advise certain medications to the patient, and if the condition doesn't improve, he has to ensure that the patient consults a physician if the condition has not improved after taking the medication that is advised by the pharmacist. Pharmacist is a source of information about medications for the patient as well as healthcare providers. He knows much more about the medications, so he can provide some information to the healthcare providers as well as to the patients about the possible side effects, about the drug interactions, and about what are the possible potential toxicity if the medication is taken for a longer duration of time. Pharmacist also ensures that the patient adheres to the medication regimen. That means the patient, once he takes the medication from the pharmacy, he should continue taking the medication for the prescribed number of days. It is a responsibility of the pharmacist to explain to the patient why it is important to take a particular medication for those prescribed number of days and what will be the possible implication if he does not continue with the medication, especially for conditions like any infection, typhoid, malaria, or probably tuberculosis or HIV infection, where the medication has to be taken for the prescribed number of days, else there will be the condition may worsen due to the discontinuation of medication. Pharmacist plays a key role in helping manage a patient's overall medication therapy by identifying and resolving any potential problem, because the pharmacist knows what the patient is already taking, and therefore there may be a chance of drug interaction or any inappropriate dosing that is prescribed by a physician. Pharmacists also provide patient with advice on how to manage his illness or how to manage their health in a particular illness. For example, in case of diabetes, along with the medications, what are the precautions the patient has to take, like lifestyle changes, exercises, supplementary medications, and that can help in improving the patient's health. Pharmacists also serve as a valuable source of drug information for the healthcare professionals, patients, and caregivers. And for that, he should be updated with latest evidence-based information, and therefore he should attend various training programs, and also he should have proper resource material which he can refer to, so that he is aware of any new developments in this field. For example, if a particular medication is withdrawn from the market, or if a particular medication, a new drug molecule is introduced in the market, he should be aware of that so that he can give this latest evidence-based information to the healthcare providers. Pharmacists also play a crucial role in health screening of his patients. Whenever the patient comes to the pharmacy, he can do a general checkup. He can check his blood pressure, he can check his random sugar, and in case of anything which he feels is not normal, then accordingly he can advise the patient for change in his lifestyle, for change in his eating habits, or in that case, if required, he can advise the patient to connect to a physician and go for a proper treatment. So, he can also help in immunization and counseling in healthy eating, exercises, and smoking cessation if required, to promote health and prevent any further illness of the patient. The pharmacist is also responsible for proper counseling of patients, old patients, that is senior citizens, and certain patients who are having some mental health issues, and provide them with proper information about consulting a psychiatrist so that the condition doesn't worsen. Pharmacist thus plays a critical role in managing the medication therapy for the patients. They will assess the medication regimens for their appropriateness, potential drug interaction, adverse effects, and monitor patient response to the medications. That means monitoring the patient whether he is responding well to the medication is also a pharmacist's responsibility, so that if at all the condition worsens, the pharmacist can advise the patient to consult the physician. Also, if there is any adverse drug reaction reported by a patient, the pharmacist has to report to the respective authority about the adverse drug reaction. So, adverse drug monitoring is also his responsibility. So, with his extensive knowledge, a retail pharmacist has lot of responsibilities to take care of. He should have particular skills that keeps him connected with the patient. He should have empathetic listening. He should have proper counseling skills, and he should be very friendly to each and every patient that visits him, so that he can develop a connect with the patients. Of course, he has a lot of competitions nowadays due to these online players. But if he keeps himself updated with knowledge and if he is confident enough, then he can face these challenges and he can come as a winner. So, all the best to all those students who wish to pursue this as a career. And thank you very much for patient listening. Thank you.